Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with TJ. Today what I got for you is just my channel update. So just to give you guys like a rundown of what's going on, what I'm kind of thinking about pretty much for the channel. I guess the first thing I want to say is, thank you for everyone that's subscribing, and hopefully we'll get some more subscribers. We're almost at that 200 subscriber mark, which is pretty crazy. I didn't expect that at all, especially to be within my first 6 months, I believe, is when I started the channel. So that's pretty cool. I didn't expect that at all. My goal was to hit 100 by a year, and so far, with the help of you guys, we've blown past that. So I don't really know what to set my goals on now, to be honest with you. But so yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys, because that's just awesome. I guess another thing that I wanted to talk about is maybe the future of like the editing of these videos, things like that. You might see some change. I'm not for sure yet, but I've been debating about switching to Apple, because they have the new subscription stuff for creators. I think it's like the creator bundle, where it has their video editing software, photo editor. It comes with all these perks, and it's, I think, for $13 a month or something like that, when the software itself, their video editors, is like $300 or $400 alone. So I think that's a pretty good deal, especially for someone like me that I can go a couple months without even paying the full price just yet, and especially you're getting some other software stuff added onto that. So I'm thinking about doing that. So you might see some weird stuff happening, because I don't fully know how to use it yet. So I'm just letting you guys know that's what I'm thinking about. If you have experience with Apple's Final Cut, let me know in the comments, and you guys give me your opinion on it. I use Filmora right now, so I know that's a very beginner video editing software, but it honestly was the cheapest one at the time. And I think now that I'm more comfortable with editing, I would like to learn a little bit more, and I think Final Cut will give me that. Review wise, I've had some companies reaching out for me to do reviews, so I do let you guys know. And I check when I publish the video, I always check my video contains a sponsor or whatever, just to be honest with you guys. When I check that and you see that pop up or whatever, I believe you guys see a pop up, that just means that they sent me the product. And I always let the companies know that I'm going to give my honest thoughts, and make sure that it's very clear that even though they are sending me stuff, I will give an honest review still. But yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about with the review wise. Hopefully this channel will continue to grow, and like I said, I'm still working on engagement and subscriber count. I think that from what I've done on my research, it says that I should be getting maybe a bit more subscribers, and comments wise, I just like hearing from you guys. So that's a personal goal, I guess, of mine, is for more comments to be on my videos. I know it's more on me on being more engaging, so that's what I'm trying to do. So if you guys have any tips, things like that I can do to make you guys want to comment more, I guess, let me know. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for this update. Like I said, I want to be completely honest with you guys and completely open. So if you guys have any questions, want to know when, a video that I might do, or have any video ideas that you want to see, just let me know, and I'll consider it. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. Check out the other videos on my channel. And yeah, this is just the update for January. Thank you for watching.